My name's Austin Feaster and I'm an apprentice lineman.
Seth Bradley, apprentice lineman.
Blake Meskey, apprentice lineman.
Lineman's Rodeo is a friendly competition where you can test your skills.
What is the APPA Rodeo?
What is it again? American
Power Association.
American Public Power Association.
Just to get out there and have fun and kind of test my skills to see where I'm at.
I challenge myself and learn to have new experiences.
It's fun for us and test your skills. You get different things that you don't see every day.